Dear students, we are going to start a new topic called metal energy. In this video, I'll be teaching you what is metal energy and I'll be teaching you few reactions of metal with O2, H2O and HNO3. What is metal energy? Metal energy is a domain of material science and engineering that studies the physical and chemical behavior of elements, their intermetallic compounds and their mixture, which are called alloys. Metal energy is an important branch or the subject by itself. It is a study how we are going to extract different types of material from its ore. So it's one of the very important subject in science as well as in geology. It comprises of three steps. First, concentration of ore. Second, isolation of metal from the concentrated ore. And third, purification of metal. Dear children, now let's see the reaction of metals with O2, H2O and HNO3. First, since O2 is very common and we all know it's a friendly element, let's see the reaction of metal with O2. Whenever a metal reacts with O2 present in air, we get metal oxide. For example, let's see an reaction. Let's take sodium. When it reacts with O2 which is present in air and it is gaseous in state and sodium is solid in state, we get sodium oxide which is solid in state. When we balance it, we take 4 sodium, that is 4 Na, which is solid in state, plus O2 gives 2 Na2O. So dear children, I am sure you will never forget that whenever any metal react with O2, you get metal oxide. Now let's see the reaction of metal with H2O, that is water. When a metal react with water, we get metal hydroxide and we also get hydrogen gas. Let's see the reaction now. Let's take the same example as sodium. Sodium, that is Na, which is solid in state, plus H2O, which is water, we get 2 NaOH plus H2. NaOH is solid in state. It is basically a sodium hydroxide which is a salt. Now let's see the third reaction of metal with HNO3, that is nitric acid. When a metal react with nitric acid, we get metal nitrate, or it's also called as nitrate salts of metal. Let's take an example. When a copper Cu, which is solid in state, react with nitric acid, that is HNO3, which is aqueous in state, we get copper nitrate plus nitrogen dioxide and water. Dear children, if you observe all the three reactions carefully, that is reaction of metal with O2, we can see that the metal, when it reacts with O2, you get metal oxide, only metal oxide, there is nothing else, you are getting a metal oxide. And when metal react with water, that is H2O, we get metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. And when metal react with nitric acid, that is HNO3, we get metal nitrate plus nitrogen gas and water. So dear children, you have to remember this very important, which is you have to remember, that is when a metal react with O2, you just get metal oxide as a compound, and when a metal react with water, you get metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. When metal react with nitric acid, you get metal nitrate plus nitrogen gas plus water. I am sure you have understood these reactions very well. This is one of the important reactions of metal in organic chemistry. So dear children, please try to understand all these reactions, which is very important. So dear children, before concluding this video, let me sum up all the reactions once again. When a metal react with O2, we get metal oxide only. When a metal react with H2O, that is water, we get metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. When a metal react with nitric acid, that is HNO3, we get metal nitrate plus nitrogen gas plus water. Okay children? So dear children, I am sure you will never forget these reactions.